tell me, what kind of styles do you think you can do to me? Like, do to me to come?
Style.
It's not. What else do you know?
Dustbin a woof for the tea. Look at you. Dustbin with the woof for you.
Eh?
Style. Make it. Where style the food inside of me?
Tell me.
Me, when we say monkey style na old fashioned for me. First thing I go knock you. Now Slande. Slande, if I knock you Slande like this, you better go on name.
Which one is Slande?
Slande, even one popular musician do that and the thing can't go viral for social media. Slande when they tell you tell you if you the waka, they go half like this. So you go. You see, I said that. Honey, they go. Then the second one, be say, kill me, make I die. You're not going on, you're not going. Now, that name, let me say, I want to move. I will call. Now, him be say, kill me, make I die. Okay, you must kill me today. If I not die your hands, I no go. I must die your hands. If I bury me in your room, you gonna go on. Then the least, but not the last. How taking NSAS process.
And what?
NSAS process.
Pro what?
Says. Yeah, Malitenga. A day they say go for Toti Brugna Gangari with NSAS process. NSAS. Don't play with me. I am a very, very acrimonious indigenous character.
Okay, now, hold it sec, yeah. Just look at me very well. Are you looking at me? Like, look at me very well. For instance now, yeah, if I say you should work on me, like, work on me.
Now you got to get look or we jim more
Look at me, make me calm as a woman.
Wait. If you say make I make you come, as in come like a girl, I need it.
No.
You don't know what I'm saying. My day work will finish. I dey work. Even there's one mad woman for our village, not talk loud though. That mad woman, she know the way I plot. She don't born for. I put it for now. The my idea, I'm only a minute. Look at you. Yeah, see, I go walk. Oh, if you just even as I dey look you here now. I don't they walk already inside me because I need to before any other thing. My eye don't synchronize you.
So your eye don't work on me like this.
Hey! Let me help them if they open a meeting they enter my eye.
I'm a neighboring John. How many minutes is there? Like I work 7 for like 5 hours, 6 hours. I don't like when you go 1 minute man. No, it's not for me and my girls.
How many hours?
My dear, my guy in him 4 hours plus 5 hours. I don't enjoy it. In with time for everything, time for pleasure and time for business. Yeah. So time for that pleasure. If you want to work on me, you don't see. You put up banging him. Do you understand? Make me be a woman so that everywhere before the main work will start. So 5 hours, I'll just manage 5 hours, 6 hours. So how many hours can you work on me? Can you go more than 5 hours? 6 hours? What is it?
5 hours.
Yes, sir. Can you go more than that?
So he will win in the name with that con.
Excuse me?
Excuse me too. Excuse me too. So you are proud to say a man go there on top of you for 5 good hours or that it. As Ugun son. Ugun suffer than back and gonna get paper. Mountain olive. Ebending sons of Roko hallelujah nada. The man go there on top of you for 5 hours. Which time the person go take to go hustle feed him family? When you go there on top of woman for 5 hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. She make a bolo no work. Ebe na babole. Oko she no take brain bibliothèque between na 1 hour more 30 minutes.
Are you not seeing that I'm big? I'm a huge lady. So anybody that wants to work on me will work on me very well, from my hair to my toe. That's how I like it.
You are very
no.
Your hugeness on the nyeko. Your hugeness they give money. They give fedi. We have bread Chineke kegre ngoga wonya no ya po. People will enter there and leave. No, make him there for 2 years. Me when they say 5 minutes is let me to black him. Because one man, people know say 5 hours. Which time I go come take work?
Oh, wait. Let me get something straight. All the give me some, all the answers, all the Wahala Dey. So just 5 minutes. 5 minutes when not even reach to bite my fingers. Yes, now you will start from my fingers. Do you know what turns me on? You don't know. In asking 5 minutes. What is 5 minutes?
I get who's after be shaking bomb and a bomb creole. First of all, they go chop your nail. Chop everything where they are. But how do I chop nail? Now what in there? If I chop one month, I'm going to do my shigem. So person go first chop you before you go to 5 hours. I go come lie down on top of you. The man is useless.
How can you say that?
He's handicapped. So that is it. God is awesome. Anytime you are doing novena, concentrate on the 5 minutes prayers inside your mind. But towards the last stanza of the prayer.
What are you still doing here?
Sir?
I thought you were supposed to serve your drink and go.
Man,
was now losing the 5 hours in the 5 minutes in the mola call and the call. It's late in the end sas. Give me some.
War everywhere. So I was telling her during the end sas time that people prayed for how many hours? We pray, like for me, I entered bush, I climbed mountain. That's the way you hear mountain. Now mountain I climb, I did there, they pray. God come quench everything for us. So we pray that this present situation where we are into, God will still fight for us, deliver us, adopt us, also liberate us.
Oh, can't go tell her.
Sir?
Did I book this room for you?
No, sir. It is for us, for Nabo.
So you didn't call more, eh? You came here to spoil my business.
No. Your business going up, I can't spoil it. What business is going on? Business is going on nature. Anybody will walk in go chop. See, your business is here. Now you not here.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
You know you are foolish.
Thank you,
You're
sir.
very, very foolish.
Yes, sir.
I get out.
Okay, sir.
Do you know that this guy is not okay?
I'm happy. I'm my own there. No one.
Come and give me some.
Excuse me, sir. I want to collect my train back.
Baby, come, don't mind me. Come and give me inside.
Sir, the thing is saying, I want to on heater for you people. So this place go there hot at least. I know around at least you go feel and well. That's why they only customer when they come here.
I am not complaining. Are we complaining?
Sir?
Are we complaining?
No, you mustn't complain before I do. And this is our work. I was assigned to it. The day I write my autograph to work here, that was what I signed for. So just allow me to on the heater for you. There's a place.
What is your name?
Sir?
What is your name?
My name is Payos, sir.
Payos. Get out.
Huh?
As in Sebapo, get out. Na. Wait for them. Can you use some boogie? I want to keep Sebapo now. Get out of all. Sebapo.
Sorry, sir. I understand the mood you are into. So don't be offended. Because I want to work. I may have ejaculate hotel. On I don't why I don't know. It will calm down. I want to on the
Sebapo. Can you all Sebapo now? Sebapo, no blow can go room. Whatever, in a column, Sebapo. I want to keep us in this Sebapo.
The issue be say, if you on this TV by yourself now, only go soon another thing. I want to put up for the channel will be say, on our weber, and our weber. Out! Get out
Una sineba puonu get out. What is your problem? Seba puonu get out.
Let me take the remote.
Just imagine
me happy because make this guy no spoil your mood.
Please leave me alone.
Make no spoil your mood.
Leave me alone.
I am not
in the mood anymore. What is it?
See, I'll put you back in the mood.
I just the me. Why do you have for me to understand?
Be after after all this effort.
Okay, the management of the hotel said I should collect money for the month. And our POS no network. And here we know they do transfer. Say when I must give me cash. If I don't collect the money, make I not come out of this room. If I don't collect the money, say they go come out from my salary.
Chai!
So as I don't enter here, I don't enter. I no fit come out too. If cash no dey here, one person must follow me outside. May we go do POS. Some men where they carry big women come like this. How will they go here big women? How about one the hotel like? Come I quoting. So since they put us law, say anybody will enter here must pay before we go allow that person go. So me, I know if you come out here. I don't enter here, I don't enter. Go there out to give me anything when I do. When I do I'm quick, may we come out to me go collect my this thing. I me wish me kiss square gap. Na so the other man come carry one fat man come here that day. Here go gather the na after the whole thing where they chop here, they no pay 1 naira. Na for my small salary na they call the doctor.
Will you keep quiet?
Anywhere. I go there say everything. Yes, I'm no na why the check up POS. Na men mam na there.
There is God. Oh.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.